Welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. Love is in the air today. We are making some recycled Valentine bottle lamps. You're going to need a clear bottle. Now I love this one because it's got these roses on there for Valentine's Day, but you could use any clear water or wine bottle, a big tall one or little ones, it doesn't matter. We're gonna use tissue paper. I've got sort of an assortment of Valentine colors here. You could also use printed tissue paper if you wanted to. We're gonna use our Gloss Mod Podge. And nope, I'm not gonna use this much Mod Podge for this project, but I am bringing out the big guns for this. And we're going to use some of these cork lights. Let's see if I can get these turned on. These are really fun. They're at all the craft stores, just a little cork light like this, and we'll put those in there when we're finished. I've got some of these glitter heart embellishments. I'm thinking maybe dangle them with some ribbon off of there. You can really customize these to any way you want. So remember, you're just gonna need a glass bottle, some tissue paper, and Mod Podge, gloss, matte, or satin, whichever finish you want. So sit back and watch me make it. So for this design, I'm using these Valentine colors of tissue paper, and you're just gonna cut them into squares. You can see that I'm not being perfect with my squares. You don't need to make perfect square shapes. You won't need very much Mod Podge at all. If you have a large container like this, I like to use a small recycled container just to pour a little bit into it. I'm doing an ombre effect, so I'm gonna put the red at the bottom, the hot pink in the middle, and the light pink at the top. I pre-washed and removed the label from my bottle. To begin with the decoupage, you're just going to add the Mod Podge directly onto your bottle. Then you can use your brush or your finger to pick up each little square of tissue. I'm starting at the bottom with the red color. You'll continue to add pieces of the tissue paper, and you can overlap them as you wish. The more you use, the deeper the color will be. The Mod Podge looks milky here, but it will dry perfectly clear. You'll want to top coat the whole design with Mod Podge and then let this dry for a good couple of hours, and you'll repeat the process on the back side. Once your bottle's dry, you'll be ready to decorate. The sky's the limit when it comes to how you want to decorate. For this design, I'm going to use the heart lace trim. Cork style lights are perfect for any of your bottle makeovers, and they give off a nice fairy light look. To finish off the look, I added a felt rose to the top of the cork. Thanks so much for joining me today. We'll be back here next Thursday with another fun DIY on Facebook and on YouTube on Saturdays. I hope this video inspired you to do a bottle makeover.